Open the Brave browser and click on the three lines on the top right corner. Select Settings. From the left menu, select Languages. And on this section, you are going to click on Add Languages. Since I am from Greece, I will choose the Greek language. You choose the language of your preference. Select Add. Now the language has been added. Click on the three dots. Select Display Brave in this language. Now click on Relaunch. This will restart the Brave browser in the language you selected. And that's it. Now the Brave browser is in your preferred language. Now you can remove the other language by clicking on the three dots and then Remove. And now you have only one language. You can add and remove any language you want. If you found this video useful, give it a thumbs up, leave a comment below and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials. Thank you for watching and see you on the next video.